Here's a 1969 Ford 100 Ranger. Absolutely beautiful truck. This truck's had a restoration along the line, and it is in nice shape. Blue and white color combination. Very stock appearing. Roof markers on the top there. Powered by a 390, as you can see by the badging on the side here. It is also very nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. So not only in nice shape, also has some very nice options on the side of it. Take a look up and down, you can see it's nice and straight. Say it's an extremely nice driver quality truck. Bed's not all banged up, scratched, also in nice shape. Obviously the stake side, if you'd like to take the boards off the side, those can slide right out. Painted white for a nice look on there. If you'd like to check out the undersides, interior pics, engine bay pics, see how nice and tight it is there too, those can be checked out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Come around here, start it up to this truck, runs extremely smooth. But take a look at how nice the door fits. I think I should need to pump this one at all. I'll say nice, smooth running, good starting truck. Check out the controllers for the AC and the vents. Still has a stock stereo radio in there. Hear how nice this runs and sounds. Slip around to the back. Nice low idle. If you'd like to give us a call, find out more about this vehicle, feel free to call us. Number to be 507-386-1726. And or, like I said, you can check out the interior pics, under the hood, underside. Those can be all seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just a beautiful 1969 Ford F100 Ranger pickup.